Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and my spice drawer was a disaster. In come these spice jars from Churboro, and it has saved the day. To be completely honest, I didn't know I could love a spice drawer so much. This set comes with 36 empty 4 fluid ounce bottles, and I didn't think I would need that many, but I should have went with the 48 pack. What I love about these is it saved so much space in our drawer and also made it aesthetically pleasing. One of my main problems was not only the disorganization, but I couldn't find which spices I was looking for because it was in a pull-out drawer. The labels in this set have saved the day. I appreciated that I had the option to label the front with either white or black labels, but more importantly, I really was looking forward to using the round label on the top. Now, you can place the round label on the front too if that is more the look that you're going for, but for me, being able to pull out the drawer and see the label name on top was absolutely key. I really appreciated the top design on here as well. It does have the sprinkle section, but also the little tab that you can pull up to be able to pour your spices if they're a little bit thicker as well. The design of the bottles and the labels themselves are both modern and very aesthetically pleasing. I have these in a drawer, but they truly would be beautiful displayed out on a countertop as well because they are so uniform and beautiful to look at. So if you're ready to organize and beautify your spices, then definitely check out this spice jar set from Churboro. But that's just my point of view.